could dig in.
You could dig
I
in.
could just wait to finish that.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's just everything I have to be saying.
What?
Which is so. No, but I mean, that's a natural reaction.
No.
Yeah.
So
everything is amazing here.
I made some of my favorite things with the show today. So peanut butter and
I'm
chocolate
blessed.
is
So you know, I'm a sweet girl. I'm a sweet tooth person.
You told me that sometimes you eat sweet whole day and don't eat food.
Yeah. Unfortunately, yes.
That's a true story?
Yes, because I mean, I have such a sweet craving that sometimes I have to do this creative and I have to do my shows and I know sweet doesn't make a game it, but I was like, if I eat food and sweet, you know, it's double whammy. So I say, you know what? Cancel all the food. I'm gonna take this.
Let us start, Jadel, by first of all, I said congratulating you because I think over the last few years, you had a stick to itiveness. And in 2022, it's safe to say that you're reaping some rewards.
Yes. I have been, I don't care, they'll be like, oh, how long you trying, you know, and no matter what they say, I'll be like, small strides, I'm satisfied with the small strides, as long as every year I get better.
So I saw that you were doing law, so you put it at the side.
Yes, I reached final year. I realized that I'm doing law and I got into the music. And it was a big hectic with juggling too, so I plan to resume.
Right, and finish it.
But I said, you know what? I'm gonna put it to the side because my passion and my drive was for the music. I so want this, and I so have the drive, and I did all the engineering, and immediately after I semi-produce Wrong and Wrong.
Oh,
right?
Yes.
And I actually saw. I write the song with Sony and I actually saw results. I wrote Up in the Party as well, and that is one of the songs that is one of the biggest songs now.
Can you remember where the passion came from, where it started? Because I know that in your early years, you were the R&B singer.
Yes.
Yeah, Mariah Carey was like your hero.
Yes.
Yeah, you kind of look like, you kind of resemble her.
That's it. I was like, yo, I'm going to be out there singing like Mariah Carey. I'm going to be on American Idol. I had big dreams, you know. But
and where did the passion for soca come from?
It's just like a love for the culture. Grew so much that it was, I don't really study about the international aspect of it, where the R&B take a say, this is my home, this is where I need to start, this is where I need to make it. You understand? You can't go there and then you're not accepted by home.
Your love for R&B though.
Yes.
Like, if I'm looking back now, like for like Round and Round, I'm hearing a little R&B in there.
Yes, and you heard it and deserve it all.
Yeah.
Which made it to BET champs in America.
Right.
And MTV Africa. Yes.
Right. So the influence of your love for R&B kind of infiltrated into soca.
Yes. So I would be able to cross over. So I would do my authentic soca for Trinidad, Caribbean, and also international with hopes that they accept the pure, soca vibes and stuff. But I would still put my love to the music, the R&B and the soca, and it worked because that was one of the soca songs that played alongside people like Cardi B and Megan Thee Stallion and Drake on BET jams in the States. Yeah.
When you did Your Man, is Your Man, right? Is it right there? Yeah, Your Man.
To me it was risky because I mean like, it's a bacchanal song, something that I never did before.
Right.
And it's a controversial, it's either it miss or it hits.
Right.
And you have to wear your man. I wasn't really hearing anybody singing stuff like that.
Yeah.
So bold and
it's so risky.
Yeah.
I want you to close off with that because I think it's probably one of the more popular songs among the fans, especially female fans.
Yes, the female fans will love it.
So it's a true story?
Of course. It is. Definitely, that's every aspect of my life. You understand, these females, they have no chill, right? They don't want to face the hardship that your man is out there in other people's DMs, denying you and tracking hard. Everyone tracking some girl that have a woman, and the woman will not approach the man. They will approach the female.
Let me just
that is the issue.
On behalf of the fellas, not every man. Not
every man. That's
Look at the men around here.
But why do the females not to attack the females? Why not attacking the men?
Yeah. Which I think is the message in the song.
That's what I'm trying to say.
I want you to close off with that song.
Not me.
Not Jadel.
Exactly.
Jadel, so in a few weeks, we will be on Soca on the Seas, Royal Caribbean.
Yeah.
Are you
I am excited.
Yeah.
Because we're going on to different countries.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna, be visiting I think it's Jamaica. I think
Antigua.
Yes.
7 islands.
Yes.
7 nights.
Yes.
And this is the opportunity taking Soca to different
yes,
parts.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Taking, so I'll be performing. You look out for me on Soca on the Seas. I'll look out for you.
Yes, I'll be actually doing the show on. We'll be doing a culinary travel show on the ship, where we'll be kind of looking at all the culinary aspects of the different islands, as well as the culinary. The ship is full of wonderful restaurants.
Yes.
So I look out for that. Soca on the Seas, on the Grand River Seas. I don't know if you still can get tickets and book a spot on the ship.
That's in April.
But it's April
Yes.
3rd to the 10th.
Yes.
Right? 7 nights, 7 islands, and Soca in your boyfriend. Jadel will be there.
Yes.
Right? Tell about motherhood just before we wrap up, because I think we spoke about it a bit.
Yes.
And you spoke about it a couple of times
Yes,
on
definitely.
the show. She's the love of your life, as I said.
Of course, and for now, juggling music and her, knowing that she's in school, it's kind of, my child schooling comes first.
Yeah.
Normally, I would love to take my child. I have been taking her everywhere I go, and tour with me everywhere. She was in Soca on the Seas with me in Europe since I've met her. When I had Mom, I was pregnant, and that was it. It was upwards from there. Yeah, all the years I think it was hard, and it was just smooth sailing from the time I met her. So I believe she was sent for purpose, and she's my blessing. And God just provide everything and put things in place. I don't have to worry if I worry about how am I doing whatever. Bam, next day something will happen where everything is covered. She's fully good and fully taken care of, and I must say I'm thankful to the Most High for that.
And thankful for you spending some time with us.
And I am very much appreciative of this for having me here and all these beautiful delicacies and cooking for me. I'm feeling special. I wanted to be on the show for a long time.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Nothing happens before it's
Yes,
time. Nothing happens before it's time. Try the recipes on CapitolCaribbean.com. Jadel is going to take us out with one of the big hits of 2022. It's called
Your Man.
Your Man. Your Man.
Yes.
Let's go, Jadel.
It's what I really get. Yeah. I find the price.
Yes.
Your man is what I really get. He asks for a wine and I give him. A wine is a wine I love him. But you get too much sweetness. Cause it's a man like he's not actually. When I he asks for my phone number. When I bend over, he asked me if he could come over. I had to tell him, don't get it confused, baby. No, we can see your woman. Telling me keep her, she wants me I know I'm a man. I'm not like this. I know I'm a man. That's what that is something, yeah. I can't be a better. But one thing for sure.